Fimi is probably a familiar name by now, and we recently covered the X8 Tele Max drone. Though it's not officially available, you can grab one from Banggood for about $460. Now, there's a new model on the horizon, the X8T, and it comes with a pretty interesting feature. Instead of just one camera on a gimbal, this drone packs 3 cameras right out of the box. First, there's a wide-angle camera with a 1/2-inch Sony sensor, offering 48MP resolution. Then, there's a 13MP telephoto camera with a 120mm focal length, basically the same camera setup as the X8 Tele Max. And that's not the only similarity. We'll get to more of those later, but let's talk about the real highlight, the third camera. The X8T comes with a built-in thermal vision camera with a 640 by 480 resolution, making it useful for detecting hotspots, thermal bridges, or even tracking game while hunting. Plus, this thermal imaging tech comes packed with features like synchronized zoom, pseudo color display, split screen, and picture-in-picture mode. Synchronized zoom lets the thermal and visible light cameras zoom together for more precise details. The pseudo color display boosts contrast, making it easier to spot differences in heat levels. Split screen mode shows thermal and visible feeds side by side for better comparisons, while picture-in-picture overlays thermal data on a real-world view for real-time assessments. All of this makes monitoring more accurate and efficient, especially in industrial and environmental settings. And that's where the differences pretty much end. The X8T weighs at least 768 grams, making it very close in weight to the X8 Tele Max. Flight time, also similar, 38 or 47 minutes per charge, depending on the battery. Video transmission, it uses Rocklink 5.0 with a range of up to 12.4 miles and a latency of 120 milliseconds. The drone doesn't even need to be controlled manually. GNSS lets it follow predetermined routes. And if you compare the specs of both drones, they're nearly identical except for the thermal camera and some minor dimension changes. Or maybe Fimi just forgot to update the specs. Either way, if you're in the market for a drone with a thermal camera, you might want to wait for the X8T. No pricing or release date yet, but once Fimi announces something, we'll let you know. And while you're waiting, why not subscribe? That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.